Onyeka was jealous that Victoria was your friends.
Please don't.
Yes, you were. That's why I can't be friends with you. Go and be with her. You wasted your.
Then I was now like, he knows a type of chef now. That was in the word.
Saw the video.
It's preneur.
So guys, I am here again. Like, I was almost falling down where I'm trying to shoot this because I said I'm going to shoot before I sleep. Guys, Wanni was not having it with Onyeka. I'm telling you guys the truth. Like, she was ready for Onyeka. All I was hearing from Onyeka is jealous of me, jealous of me, jealous of me. And I was wondering, where did she get this information about being jealous? I was like, how is jealous moving around? No offense, so I'm not siding anybody. I just want to be in between in all this reunion stuff. But I don't understand. But who I will blame is Sean, a little low. Because from his own point of view, he literally said that he told them that they need to understand that they need to understand themselves. And here is not Love Island to, matchmake anybody and all of that. But he literally told Onyeka that he likes women with the big stuff, So, but then, I understand where Ibka is trying to tell him, do you really need to do that? Don't you think he's crossing the line? Stuff like that. But Sean was like, I know what I want and I can go for it. I was just saying it to, mingle and then know who is who in the house. But Onyeka was just pinning on that thing, jealous. And then Wanni decided to break the entire table and saying that she's just angry about Victoria and Ozzy. And even she knew that Ozzy has a girlfriend outside, but she was doing what she was doing. Like, well, the most important thing that gave me joy is that I like the fact that Chinwe owns up to her shit, but I'll come back to that. So Wanni was not having it at all. Wanni was like, that is what that when it comes to Sean, she doesn't even have any issues with Onyeka, but that she feel like Onyeka wants to use that opportunity to start saying things about her. Because Onyeka was like saying that she was gossiping about her. Onyeka was like, Wanni said she reached out to you to have a conversation with you, but you didn't return the energy and all of that. She was like, the fans were calling her to give her gifts. Okay, my question there was like, okay, how about after the gifting, did you try to reconnect based on somebody told you that she wants to see you, stuff like that? She was like, she said she forgot. I was like, forgot? For someone that you were once in the house with? I think she's wrong in that part. Let her not even deny that she's really wrong in that part, because she has already stretched hands for that conversation and probably make amends, but she did not see it coming. And I feel like that Ozzy and Victoria thing was really paining Onyeka, I won't lie. And she did not even lie. She said she's in the middle of it, but that's not being in the middle of it. I feel it was just funny. And I like Andy is almost about to fight, but she was just holding back herself. You don't touch this other person and the other person will just be looking at you. Get what I mean? So back to Chinwe and the Nelly stuff. I like the way Nelly was handling her own situation from all point of view. I feel like Nelly did not do much to Chinwe. It was actually Chinwe that misunderstood Nelly, starting from the jewelry stuff, and she complained about the purging thing she got after Nelly cooked. And then the fact that Zion was expecting every woman to be like the way she portrayed Nelly. Did you hear what he said there in the conversation he had with Chinwe? That after she finished cooking it for people in the house, so Bbnaija wanted to correct that impression and was like, what do you have to say? He was like, he didn't apologize since then, so why? And he claimed that he did not see the video. Bbnaija was like, you don't have to lie, the video was everywhere. But like, he has not apologized, or that he's apologizing. So Nelly was like, the guy did not apologize, he didn't hear her. But Chinwe did something that I really like. She just went forward, accepted her blame, and then apologized. She even said she wanted to have that conversation with her the second time she came in, but I don't know what really happened that made her not to. And that was how this nice season just ended. But guys, let's wait, because another drama is about to unfold. I'm telling you guys the truth. So if you've watched to this point, thank you guys so much. And if you're new in this place, please kindly hit that subscribe button and notification button and let us be friends. And those that were the old subscribers, thank you all for always stopping by, and see you guys in my next video. So do well to communicate and tell me how you see the whole situation. See you guys in my next video. Bye.